Good evening, friends. We have started the reflection of light in previous lecture, and it is stopped by some technical issue. So we were talking about the reflection of light. I am giving you a question based on reflection of light, or based on second law of reflection of light. What is the question and what is the difference between both questions 1 and 2? If an incident ray makes an angle with normal is 60 degree, find the angle of reflection. In next question, if an incident ray makes an angle 60 degree with mirror, what will be the angle of reflection? In both cases, difference is this: the angle with normal and the angle with mirror. Both are different cases. Sometimes student cannot approach this mistake, so that they can do mistake easily. What is the difference between this? I will tell you. Suppose this is the angle of reflection बोल सकते हैं आप इसे. This is the mirror, this is the normal, and this is the angle of reflection, angle of incident. पहले मैं angle of incident की बात कर रहा हूँ. ये angle of incidence है. It is the incident ray. It is coming from any source, and it is the mirror. At the point of incidence, it is making some angle with this normal. So this is the angle. So this is the angle with mirror. This is the angle of with normal. So angle I, then angle I is the angle of incidence with normal. And in this question, angle of incidence ray is 60 degree with normal. So this is the 60 degree is given to this question, and 60 degree is given in this question with the mirror. So incident ray and mirror are making 60 degree. But I told you in previous lecture, the angle of incidence is the angle between the incident ray and the normal. So angle of incident ray and normal is 60 degree. So angle I is given. In this question, this is the angle I. So angle I is given 60 degree. You have to find angle of reflection. This is the angle of reflection, that is R. So angle R you have to find. Angle I equal to angle R. Second law से. So angle R is equal to 60 degree. First of all, you have find the answer. This is the answer. In this question, this is not given to you. Angle I is not given. We know very well, normal makes 90 degree with mirror. This is the mirror, this is normal, and it is making 90 degree with this ray. This is the normal, that is angle I. आपको सबसे पहले angle I find करना है. Whenever you have to find the angle I, you know very well, angle I plus 60 degree equal to 90 degree. This plus this equal to 90. So first of all, I have to find the angle I. 90 minus 60. So angle I equal to 30 degree. So angle I is 30 degree. So angle R I equal to angle R. So angle R equal to 30 degree. What is the difference between both? only this word has changed the answer. Both answer as there. So you have to read first, and after that makes the diagram, makes the figure, and find out what you have to given and what we have to find.